Looking all around us, it's all about infrastructure.
So I think it's the society in heritage to embrace and take care of the infrastructure. It is our asset. So it's everybody's asset to live in a healthy infrastructure platform where we can go, commute, do business, go to the school, take our kids to the school. So everybody is living in an infrastructure world. So that's why infrastructure is very important to the society.
Engineers from all over the world are using BIM to design, build, and operate infrastructure. The results obtained are spectacular, reducing times and cost along the whole life cycle of a project.
What we're finding nowadays is the owner-operators are starting to mandate the use of BIM on their projects because they understand the opportunity to pull the information that they require through the supply chain and use it for the operations and maintenance of these projects for the next 100, 150 years. And that's really where the key opportunity to save money and make people's lives better using this technology.
The content of the Global BIM Management for Infrastructure Project Certification Program is completely built on the experience of the Consolidated Contractor Company and its BIM Center and BIM Academy over the last 20 years in the most innovative BIM projects around the world. This online program is envisaged to take BIM implementation to another level of professionalism, practicality, and effectiveness in the field of information modeling and management for infrastructure projects.
Yeah, I think the initiative by CCC to train this specific area is excellent because there is no real qualification, no course available for this type of management course. And what we're seeing is so-called BIM managers who are really product experts coming up and saying, I'm a BIM manager, but in actual fact, the project delivery, particularly in large-scale projects, is much, much more complex and needs to be across disciplines. So I think the initiative they're taking of creating a course to train up specifically individuals to do this on a global level is going to really advance the industry.
Become a fully global BIM manager engineer by working collaboratively with other participants from the 5 continents. Develop real case studies of roads and highways, railways and metro lines, tunnels and bridges, and subsurface utilities. With Zigurat, you will be part of a global alumni network with more than 2,000 BIM managers already working in leading companies worldwide. Global BIM Management for Infrastructure Projects, 12 months online master program.